how to use your Stream Deck with Insilico terminal. I already made profile here, mapped all of these buttons, so I can do some nice stuff now. For example, I can press buy market here. If I set the order size before, which I can do like this, and then I will execute a buy market order, which is pretty nice. And if you want to create your own profiles, what you have to do is make a new profile. Then on your Stream Deck it will also be empty. And for example, if I want to do bind global, and I would recommend doing combinations like this, for example, because otherwise you might press these buttons and do random weird stuff on your PC that you don't want to happen. So we're doing it like this. Now if I press Shift and B, I will execute the order, and to get it on my Stream Deck, I'm in this menu, and then I drag the hotkey option here, for example, and give it a name. And then I can click here, and now I will press Shift and B, and it will have this action assigned. So when I press it here, the order will execute. You can also give these things an image, for example, by just having one and then copying it, and then paste from clipboard, and now you have a nice Insilico icon here, or whatever you want to choose, and you can do the rest the same way. If you want to use this profile, which has many functions such as market buys, chase, canceling, adding size, certain sizes, post, reduce, nuke, all of that stuff, you can find the associated Stream Deck file and the associated hotkey file in the docs, and then I will show you how to use those. For example, I've already imported this for me, but the way you do it is you just press import, and then to import the hotkey file, you just type import here, and then press enter, and then you select the JSON file. And to import the Stream Deck file, you have to go to edit profiles, and then down here you press import and select the Stream Deck file, and then you will be able to use both. If you want to play around and make your own files, I would also suggest using AI, ChatGPT, or whatever, Claude. Just give it the documentation and some instructions, and then let it figure out everything you want to make. Test it a bit, do small size first, and then you're able to trade from Stream Deck easily. I hope you have fun, and let us know if there are any questions in the comments.